At the beginning of the day, turn your GiGi warmer on according to the instructions. Place a GiGi clean collar around the can of wax and remove the plastic lid. Place the can of wax into the warmer. After 15 to 25 minutes, check to see if the wax is ready. It should have a thin, creamy consistency. Most GiGi warmers have a control knob so you can adjust the temperature of your GiGi wax accordingly. Always check the temperature of the wax before applying by placing a small amount on the inside of your wrist. It is important to cleanse the skin before applying the wax. Once the temperature of the wax has been established, you can begin waxing. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Hold skin taut and remove strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. Soothe the skin after removing the wax to reduce redness or irritation. No appointments, no razor burns, just results.